Good afternoon and welcome to another video. My name is Nicholas Woolsey. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. Today I am talking to you about my day trading, cryptocurrency and alt currencies online. So this is something I've kind of been getting into. I would say probably 10 years ago I started to get into day trading penny stocks, and I made some money at that, and I had a measure of success with that, but I kind of fell out of that. The world changed with day trading penny stocks, and it became more and more difficult. A lot of people jumped into it, and the market just kind of, for me, it just sort of fizzled out. With cryptocurrencies being born, not just Bitcoin, but a lot of other really tiny currencies, I've kind of, that fire has been rekindled, and so I'm going to talk to you sort of my method, my strategy of how I do that, and the resources that are involved with that, what websites I use, and so on and so forth. Before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I bring videos like this out several times a week, and so if you want to be notified of this stuff, subscribe and hit the little bell marker there. That way you'll get a notification when I post new videos. At the end of this video, if you do like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for that like. And then if you have any questions or concerns or comments, leave them in the comment section. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Today's little video, day trading, cryptocurrencies, and alt currencies. The first thing I do is I start every single day with $1,500 capital. And so this is money that I've traded from just a few $100, and I worked it up. About a month ago, I jumped into a coin called Cardano, and that marker on there is ADA. I bought in when it was like 2.5 cents per coin. I put $60 down, and with that, I just sort of like that was my swing trade. I just held on to it for a month, and in the month, like within 1 or 2 days, it 5 times itself. So we had $300 there, and I had some money coming from some other coins that I've been trading, and I built up a $1,500 capital. So my capital is what I start every single day with. That's $1,500, and then from there I trade that capital of 15. I trade up from that $1,500 base, and then I transfer any accrued money greater than $20. What I mean by this is I trade on Bittrex, and I will trade my $1,500, buy in when it's low, sell when it's high, and then anything that's accrued, I will bank for myself, put it in my account. I don't transfer out of Bittrex unless I have a minimum of $20 because there's fees that are associated with it. And really, I try not to trade out if it's less than like $60. But 20 is kind of like the bare bones minimum that I will cash out for. Number 3 is I hold all of my accrued money in my Bitcoin wallet, and then I only transfer to the bank on Fridays. The reason I do this is because, especially with lately, Bitcoin has been exploding. Today we hit 13,300. Well, actually, yesterday we hit 12,000. Then today we hit 13,000, and then within the past hour we've gone from 13,000 to 13,300. Let it be kind of noted that there should be a correction coming very soon. That price will probably drop to about 11,000. That's a good time to buy and buy some Bitcoin and stock up because it's going to shoot fast and hard. I've been following speculations for the past month where people were saying, "Oh, we'll be lucky if Bitcoin hits 10K by December 31st." However, that happened really, really fast, and now we could be hitting 15K by the end of December. It's just on an explosive exponential trajectory right now, which is awesome. And so I hold all that accrued money in my Bitcoin wallet so that I can take advantage and just let that money sit. That money that I've made and I've earned and I've traded up to, I can let that sit and then grow with the explosion that Bitcoin is experiencing. And then I only transfer to my bank on Fridays. I only transfer the absolute money that we definitely need to pay bills, or groceries, or entertainment money. We don't just throw it all in there. We want this to continue to grow and be self-sufficient, or rather self-sustaining. So it's worthy to note also that this allows accrued money to grow with the explosion of the Bitcoin price, but at the same time it also allows that money to sort of shrink when Bitcoin has a pullback or a correction. And that's just sort of the name of the game. In those moments, you know, you buckle down, you hold on for dear life, and you ride it out. Not a big deal. If you haven't already seen my previous video from, I want to say last week, or maybe it was a couple days ago, I talked about my revenue from BitConnect, my profits and my revenue. So in my first month lending on BitConnect, I generated $1,283. I cashed $600 out to use for Thanksgiving holiday and for Christmas gifts for the kids. And then I reinvested $683, and that worked out really well. And we're still continuing to grow. This is sort of my strategy here. If you don't know where to buy Bitcoin and you're not already on an exchange, I use Coinbase. Coinbase is an exchange where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. And there's actually a little deal going on. If you click the first link in my description, it's a Coinbase link and it's a referral link. So if you click on that and you buy $100 or more of Bitcoin, you'll get $10 of free Bitcoin from the website. So you know, it's a flat $10. It's not anything more than that. So if you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you're only going to get $10 free of Bitcoin from the site. But the minimum is 100 that you have to buy. And then going back to the BitConnect thing, if you're interested in lending on BitConnect, I have a link down there also. That's a referral link. So if you sign up under my link with me as your sponsor, on your first lend through BitConnect, I will personally give you a 5% bonus of whatever that first loan was. So if you loan $100 minimum, you'll get $5 from yours truly, credited right to your Bitcoin wallet. And then if you loan, you know, $10,000, you're gonna get $500 from me right to your Bitcoin wallet. It's a quick, easy way to make a little bit of extra money. So if you haven't noticed, I actually showed you a way to make $15 of free Bitcoin in the past 30 seconds. So this is sort of my strategy. That's my little plug for that. Once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them in the comments section down below. And then don't forget to subscribe and also tick that bell so you get further notifications whenever I do post. All right, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video.